Hey guys, it's Drifting Shade here. It's been a little while since I've really uploaded anything. It's been very helter-skelter lately. Life has been very up and down, and just a lot's been going on, man. A lot's been going on. So this video will kind of serve to update you all on what's going on with me, what's going to be happening here on the channel. I want to become more regular with it, with gaming content, but also kind of give an update on what I'm going to be doing moving forward. So, a few weeks ago, I was working at the post office here in my town, and some things went down. I was targeted by management after an accident. That was my fault, which I completely understand, but I feel as if allegedly I feel as if management targeted me and got rid of me, and I didn't know what to do after that, and it hasn't been good. It hasn't been good. My mental state collapsed. My world shattered. I almost went back to some really nasty habits of drinking and things like that to kind of get by. And I don't want to do that anymore, man. I really don't. So I didn't know what to do going forward until I saw an ad here on YouTube, no less, which is crazy, about learning to become a software developer. And coding and software development, a little background here, it's been something that I've been interested in for quite a while. I took a class in, I think, sophomore year for C++ programming, and I loved it. I absolutely loved it. I did really well. I aced it, and I was ahead of the other students in some of the stuff I was able to do, but for some reason I never pursued it. I think mostly because I lacked the confidence within myself that I could do it. But now, I'm 32 years old, I'm done screwing around, and I found this amazing opportunity with Coding Dojo. I will be attending their programming starting December 11th, and it's their boot camp. I'm doing the full 3 stack, so I'm going to be learning Python, Java, and JavaScript, and building that foundational base to get a job in the industry, an entry-level job in software development, hopefully at some big company, and then be able to start gaining experience and gaining everything I need and the knowledge to just move on up that ladder. And that's my end game here. That's what I'm doing. So I wanted to document this experience and kind of share with you guys as I go through the boot camp, and just kind of give you some insight into how it's going, what's going on, what I'm working on, stuff like that. And possibly be a resource for you guys who are wanting to get into coding as well. Maybe. I don't know if I'll ever do tutorials or anything like that, but I do want to show you guys some stuff that will be very useful here. We're going to transition. Alright, so this is my favorites here on YouTube. I have saved these 3 videos by Brocode. And this guy is an absolute legend in the coding world. He put together these entire 12-hour courses, and 8-hour for JavaScript, videos. And they're full courses on how to use these codes and how to write them, and just different functions and variables and everything that you can do within the coding. And I'm obviously not very far into any of them. I've kind of started them, and I don't want to burn myself out because I still have a month before I start boot camp. So I'm just using these as kind of a tool to build that fundamental base and have a head start on the class. So just to kind of show you guys a little bit of what I mean, I used a video on YouTube, a different one, not by Brocode, but by someone else, to build this dice rolling game. and I understood most of what I was putting in here. A good example is these if statements here. If this is a digit, we're defining what players is, and switching it to an integer, switching the variable of players to an integer, and then we break out of this if statement, or else you give the error invalid, please try again, or must be between these players, blah, blah, blah. Just things like this. I was able to understand most of what was going on here so far, thanks to Brocode's videos. I basically copied and pasted this, did a little tweaking, and it works really well. I can actually show you guys. Enter number of players. Let's just do 2. Player 1's turn. Would you like to roll? Yes. I rolled a 3. Okay. If I roll a 1, my score goes to 0, just like that. So now it's player 2's turn, and this will go on until we reach a max score, until someone hits a max score of 50, and then the other player gets a chance to get higher than the other player's score. Anyway, sorry to ramble on here, but that is kind of what's going on. You can expect... Hang on, let me switch back to me. You can expect me to be documenting this experience and to kind of showing you guys a day in the life of a boot camp student at the Coding Dojo, which is based out of Colorado Tech University. So far, the experience has been amazing. Just the admissions process has been really well handled. I've had absolutely wonderful communications with all of the staff so far, and I am incredibly excited to start this, you guys. This is my calling. This is where I'm meant to be in life, and I know that now. And I want to do this. I need a job where I can feel secure, where I can work from home, be here for my family, because they need me. They absolutely need me. I need to be able to provide enough pay for us to be secure and make our bills and do everything that we need to do to survive in this fucked up world. And that is what I'm going to be documenting here, my journey through the boot camp. Just some code that I've done, projects that I'm working on, I'll be able to share with you guys. If that's something everybody's interested, just consider leaving a like on the video. Comment down below with some suggestions. I'm also going to try and possibly do some gaming stuff, maybe play some retro games, or even some of the newer ones. I'm into Elder Scrolls Online right now and Diablo 4, and not super into them. This coding thing has been taking up a lot of my attention, but I just want to let you guys know kind of what is going to be happening moving forward. And if you're just stumbling across this channel for the first time and this is your intro video to my channel, hello and welcome. I'm Drifting Shade. Sorry it's a little bit all over the place right now. I'm not normally like this, but I am 2 cups of coffee and a little bit of G Fuel in, so I am a little bit rambly. But, yeah, consider subscribing. And if you're interested in coding and you want to see more of that, let me know. Yeah. Anyway, that's kind of what the direction of my channel is going forward for now. Struggling to find a job right now as well, which doesn't feel good because don't really have enough money laying around to be secure with at the moment. So, yeah, I'm trying to get all these pieces to work, but hopefully in the coming weeks, things will iron out. We'll get into this program. It is 34 weeks, so I will not be done till August. So you guys will see a lot of what I'm working on between now and then. So I hope you'll join me on this journey. Thank you all so much for everything. You guys are amazing. This community of 111 subscribers, I believe it's 111, is wonderful. I love each and every one of you. So thank you guys so much. And I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. And if you If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down and below, and we will, yeah, I'll address them, and I will say hi, and let me know what you guys want to see in the future. Thank you so much.